Learn how to make money online with these tips. So you are having a hard time making ends meet and you need to figure out how to fill that gap. You have come to the right place because the following video will help you find ways of making money online. So take the time to read over it and get the info you need. One great way to make money online is to use a site like Etsy or eBay to sell things you make yourself. If you have any talents, from sewing to knitting to carpentry, you can make a killing through online markets. People want items that are handmade, so join in. If you are a writer, consider writing on a revenue-sharing website like Squidoo or InfoBarrel. You can write about your favorite subjects and split the revenue that comes in. This will allow you to have fun while you are working. Schedule time each day for working online. Online income is definitely tied to your ability to keep at it on a continuous basis. There are no fast routes to loads of money. Diligence is key. Make sure that you get up in the morning, work a set work schedule and have an end time as well. Even just an hour in a day can mean that you do well or fail. Get paid to review some of the new products that are out on the market today. This is a great way for companies to determine if their new products are a hit or miss, as they will pay good money to get an opinion on them. Get the word out on these products and pull in the cash. You can earn extra money during your downtime. There are many ways to earn money online that require little focus. For example, you can earn money performing simple tasks on Amazon's Mechanical Turk. Try doing them as you watch TV. While you may not get rich, you will be making the most of your downtime. You can make money flipping domain names. Many people make a lot of money off of domain names. It's similar to buy real estate online, but it involves an investment from you. Obtain the latest trends in keywords by utilizing Google AdSense and similar sites. Try buying domains that use acronyms. Look for domain names that may pay off. If you are knowledgeable about a particular subject, put your knowledge to work for you. There are many companies, such as About.com, that will pay you for your knowledge. Most of these sites do require you to write a certain number of videos each month, however, this is a fantastic way to bump up your earnings. As you can see, it can be quite simple to make money online. So whether you lost your job or just need some extra spending money, you now know that you do not have to get a job and leave the comforts of your home in order to make the money you need. You will be filling your pockets in no time. Student loan.